Mitosis versus meiosis. Understanding the differences between two types of cell division. By Bioverse. Cell division. The process by which cells reproduce. The two main types. Mitosis for growth and repair. Then meiosis for reproduction, gametes. Mitosis. Growth, repair and asexual reproduction. Next. Meiosis. Sexual reproduction and genetic diversity. Number of divisions. Mitosis. One division that produces two cells. Meiosis. Two divisions, meiosis 1 and 2, which produces 4 cells. Number of chromosomes. Mitosis. Produces cells with the same chromosome number as the parent, diploid to diploid. Meiosis. Produces cells with half the number of chromosomes, diploid to haploid. And an example, humans. 46 to 46, mitosis, versus 46 to 23, meiosis. Genetic variation. Mitosis. Produces genetically identical cells. Meiosis. Produces genetically unique cells due to crossing over during prophase 1. Phases. Mitosis. Prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase. Meiosis. 2 stages. Meiosis 1, homologous chromosomes separate, and meiosis 2, sister chromatids separate. Summary comparison. Mitosis. 1 division, 2 daughter cells, identical diploid, no variation. Meiosis. 2 divisions, 4 daughter cells, unique haploid, genetic variation present. Importance. Mitosis. Enables tissue repair, growth, and maintenance. Meiosis. Ensures genetic variation and is vital for reproduction and evolution. Now for conclusion. Both are essential biological processes. Mitosis maintains genetic stability. Meiosis promotes diversity among offspring. And here is the difference between two types of cell division.